RJ Villanueva, thank you for watching. Jovan Anduque.
Welcome to Kings Basketball Tuesday, Papawis edition. Laglagan game versus TL Kurt versus TL Abad. Week 10 na, no? Jump ball, Evangelista versus number 28. Unang bola yun ng Gray. Ross. Ganda sana ng basa. There goes Ali. Ali! 2 points. Pwede na semi-dilig, ah.
Wala po akong idea, sir. Si Boss Asi lang po makakasagot niyan.
3 points. Emerson, babawi sa kabila. Ali again. There's foul called. Number 28. Ace, that's your first personal foul, first team foul para sa Team Gray.
Boss Asi, thank you for watching.
2 points, 2 free throws yan. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. All three.
All three score natin.
Ace, Tupalan.
Ganda.
Ganda ng galaw.
Kaso, sala.
Sa kanila pa din. Benz is there. Here goes number 28. Another turnover. Palad. So Evangelista. Ganda ng pasa. 2 points yan by Evangelista.
3-5 score natin lamang TL Court.
Emerson to Ali. Another turnover sa Team Yellow. Last 7 minutes and 25 seconds out of the first quarter. 3-point attempt, no good. Offensive rebound. Evangelista, 2 points. Emerson, Arsuban, side step, there's a foul called. Number 4, Evangelista, that's your first personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots will be granted to Arsobal. First shot, no good. Time out.
Time out, TL Abad.
Viewers done. Starting Facebook.
Shout out, shout out.
You guys can share the live. Ace to us. Not this time. Agawin ng bola.
Laki ni Ali.
Bola ng Yellow. Emerson. Ayan na nga. Navarro to Ali. Di na Ali pa. Kondisyon. Number 7, that's your first personal foul, third team foul. Para sa Team Gray. First shot. First shot is good. No good. Here goes Ross. Good defense by Amson. Ayun na. Amson. Favorite floater shot, no good. Nakakuha na yan ng great team. Court to court, number 7. Pull-up jumper. 2
Easy
points.
shot.
Score natin, 9-5. That's Benz. Using his space. Emson. Emson pa din. Esparato. Asbal. Espartero. No good. Rebound by Evangelista. Here goes Sir Ace. Wide open. Is it 2 points? 11-5. Sadural.
Shout out the president, Boss Hasi, andito na.
Sadural. Favorite shot. No good. Navarro is there for the offensive rebound. There's a foul.
5-11 score. Delcourt.
Ace, second personal foul.
Leading score.
Ikaw ba? Sino ba? Si Palad. Warning for that. Shout out Boss King of Zamek Basketball. Second shot, no good. Offensive rebound yan.
Sayang.
And there's a foul call. Ali, that's your first personal foul. First team foul para sa Team Yellow. Palad to Pence. Evangelista is there. Floater. 2 points. Second 2-pointer of the game by Evangelista. Sadural. Espartero. Wala pa din. Ross. Still by Ali. Sadural. Using his dribbling skills. 14 to shoot. Oy!
Grabe.
Sadural. 2 points. 7-13. 7-13. Was no good. Rebound by Arsubal. Sadural still. 14 to shoot. Grabe si Emson. Parang teenager lang ah. Score natin
9-13. In favor pa rin kaya Delcourt.
Palad. Using his space. No good. Rebound by Arsubal. Espartero. Binababa ang bola. Easy daw. Here goes Sadural. Looking for his teammate. To Ali. Ali to Navarro. 14 to shoot. Arsubal. Ganda ng pasa. Espartero dinukot. 2 points. 11-13. Dalawang
Nice
lang.
pass, nice pass.
Last 1 minute and
pass.
45 seconds out in first quarter. Ace is there using his experience. And there's a foul call. Esparto, number 28. First personal foul, second team foul.
Thank you for watching Penpen Nocial.
First shot is good. Wala ang
1 minute and 12 seconds remaining.
Third quarter. Arsubal.
Grabe.
2 points. Ace to Ross. To Benz. 2 points. 40 seconds. Grabe naman si Sir Emerson. Ali's there, 14 to shoot. Uy!
Nice pass, grabe
Ali
naman!
with another foul called. Ace.
20 seconds remaining. First quarter. 13-16 in favor of TL Kurt.
First shot, no good. Second shot is good. 3 seconds. 2. And end of the first quarter. Score nothing. 16-14. TL Kurt up by 2.
Oy!
Yellow ball.
Abad! Ba't pinasok si Ali?
De La Cruz. Wala. Same ball. 14 to shoot.
Same ball tayo, same ball.
Abad. Francisco.
Traveling violation.
Song.
Daniel Batala, thank you for watching.
Inbound by TL Kurt. Here goes Hans. Hans. Osorio to Fernandez. Hands open 3, no good. Rebound by Ace. There's a foul called by Ali. That's your second personal foul and a first team foul. Ace, 2 shots on the line. First shot, no good. Shout out sa ating live viewers dyan sa ating Facebook page. Tuesday, Kings
2 million! 2 million! 2 million!
Second shot, no good. Ito. Two points. Score natin 18-14. Ganda ng depensa nila. De La Cruz. Wala. Nakita, Ninong.
Gulat pa nga!
Number 17, that's the first.
Nagulat pa nga!
Here goes Ross. Ross. Iniwan si Francisco. Hans is there, 14 to shoot. 3 seconds violation.
Hirap eh.
Francisco to Ninong. Aban. De La Cruz. Wala pa, malamig ka. Good yan. Osorio. Good pass. Foul 17. Aban. Second personal foul, 13 foul. 2 shots tayo dyan. First shot, no good. Box shot, no good. Francisco. Big hand by Osorio. Good defense there. Osorio. Bad pass. Francisco. To Abad. Timeout. TL Kurt.
Minamalas, minamalas.
Ace. Here goes Ross. Foul goal number 1. First personal foul, 13 foul. Last 6 minutes ating second quarter. Fernandez.
Ala.
14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ross, 3.
Ganda nun.
Lumalaki na ulit ang kalamangan.
14-21 yung score. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
De La Cruz is there. There's a foul call number 3. Hans. Hans. Dalawa 3.
Second quarter na, idol.
First personal foul.
14-21 in favor of TL Court.
First team foul. First shot, no good. Wala pa din. Here goes Osorio. Boss. There's a foul called. Number 11, Francisco. Warning for penalty.
Francis! Tayo mo dito!
Score natin, 14-21.
Upo ka dito ah!
Tilted up by 7. Ganda ng pasa. Osorio. To Ross, 2 points. Shamran. Number 1. Francisco. Francisco ba din? Ali naman this time. Osorio. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Good ball. Francisco. Nakuha ni Francisco. To Francisco. Spin. Foul call number 17. That's your first personal foul. 17.
16-23!
17. Sa green. Focus ba? First shot. No good. Second shot is good.
Ah!
Ace.
Wala ko.
Foul number 18. Penalty.
Dito ka mo po. Para ano? Yan. Tama.
Oras na yung last 2 minutes and 40 seconds sa ating second
Shoutout
quarter.
nga pala sa ating videographer, Shish!
Hangin?
First shot sa
Kay
blind.
Marisa itong cellphone, no?
Hindi.
Ayun na yan.
Yung nag-announcer. Sino anong pangalan nga ulit nun?
Second shot is good. 24-17. Ayan na, Francisco. To Francisco. Magandang depensa ng Gray. 14 to shoot.
Ginawa mo
Ayan.
ang kaarang dito, ah.
Kaya nga kita pinapunta dito eh.
Ayoko dyan.
Hands. Wide open. Knockout play.
Nakaputi ako eh.
Hindi naman dumili.
26-17.
Oh,
Another steal. Ace. Wala. Wala pa din. Ali's there. There's a foul call. Time out. Yellow.
17-26.
Back to the ball game.
Parang
Francisco.
Tayo ng ecstasy to ah.
2 points. Out of bounds.
Natapik pa nga ng slide. Abad oh. Abad with the ball.
Abad, abad.
Abad ulit. Tumira ng 3 si Abad.
Abad, nag 3 points.
Francisco. 14 to shoot. Ali. Another foul called. Ace. Warning for graduate. Warning for penalty din.
40 seconds
Pag
remaining.
dumipensa.
19-26. In favor of TL Court pa rin.
Ali first shot, no good.
Skirt maliit. Ay, ibang skirt. Ito? Ayan, skirt maliit din.
17
Hindi na siya ngayon.
Fernandez. Uy! Kunin ko na ha. 15 seconds. 10.
Mangin.
5. Tuloy-tuloy yan.
Wala ka.
And
Pasok.
at the second quarter, score another 19.
26.
Steel Kurt up by 7. Third quarter na, naglagan yan guys.
Shout out Kenneth Garcia.
Wala.
Back to the ball game.
Eh, nandito kanina eh.
Eh na.
We have Benz, Evangelista, Ross,
Idol ko nga pala.
Osorio sa great team. We have Emson, Navarro, Abad, Arzubal,
Shout out number 13, Palad. Headband Gaming.
Espartaro sa yellow team.
Wala fake by Osorio. Wala push.
Benz,
Kaya ni Kumi yun eh.
sumubok, wala. Rebound yan by Navarro. Emson. Ayan na nga.
Ang galing!
Uy! Sipag naman nun, sir. 19-26 ang score. 10 to shoot.
Favorite.
There's a foul ball.
Holding foul. Number
Osorio.
3.
Number 3. Wala sa Osorio. Time to shoot. Espartero. Gary. Kaya? Okay lang? 21-26.
Baba na, pre, baba na. Wala ka naman, di mo naman disusundutan eh. Para saan ba yung habol mo?
Ross. Oh, shit!
Woo!
Nakuha ba yan? Nakuha ba yan?
Kitang-kita,
Story din
mangin.
mamaya.
Kitang-kita, mangin.
Foul number 17. Abad. Bonus shot. Para sa ating 4-point play of the game.
Sorry pre, di nakuha.
Outfit mo.
Counted
That's
pa.
for a 4-point play of the game.
Sorry, no?
The score natin 30-21.
Kayang-kaya yan.
Sa dual.
Kumi.
Wala. Agawan ng bola. Sa kanya pa din.
Ang abad to, kanya na yun eh.
Sa dual pa din.
Buhat na buhat.
Patay. Nawala ang laro.
Rekta to pag ano.
Navarro. Emson.
Patay, bukas na bukas siya. Patay ka dyan. Patay ka dyan.
Sa dual 2
Ang
points.
kita ko yung mga ganong gustong-gusto niyang gawin eh. Confident na confident. Uy,
Yeah.
binangga, oh.
Was
Putang ina, binangga oh. Ay, puta, harap ko yan.
another foul called.
Foul.
Number 17. Abad.
Kita.
Foul. Fourth personal foul. Third team foul. Apat na.
Paktay ka diha. Libre na ulit. Bakit kumi oh?
Sa Duran.
Naman. Patay ka na
Sa
naman.
Duran, 2 points. Time out! Silford.
Ano mga ginagawa niya?
Osorio.
Kamay. Kamay.
Palad.
Kamay.
Floater. 2 points.
Kamay oh. Ah! Saan ang tigang pa?
Portero.
Bukas na!
Abad sa Dural.
Patay ka na naman!
Grabe, pag nashoot pa yun. Idol na kita.
Counted!
And one play. Number 13.
Ang daming mabuhan.
Second personal foul.
Kakaupan nun, no? Pag napasok to, ha? Deadlock tayo, 32.
May all kaya? Ayan na nga, deadlock tayo.
Deadlock
dyan.
tayo, all 32. 5 minutes and 47 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Shout out, shout out. Palad.
Uy, nakatulak oh.
2 points.
Shout out Ryan Rivera. Thank you for watching. Please share our live.
Arsubal. Sunobaro.
Sayang.
Foul, offensive.
Offensive foul. Focus tayo sa game, focus. Substitution. Say sub.
Hindi magulang
Alin?
yan.
Ha?
Hindi magulang.
Palad, fourth personal foul ka na.
Lagyan na ninulang.
Fourth. Na penalty na ano siya, technical foul. Emson.
Talaga ni Kumi. Putang ina.
Same ball. 14 to shoot. Time to shoot.
Patay ka diha.
Uy. Ali. Rebound by Pence.
Huli! Wala ka!
Nako po, nanood na naman.
Pinanood! Pinanood!
2 points.
Pinel Abad!
Salvacion, thank you for watching.
Emerson. Ali. Uy. Power move.
No call, no call, no call!
Ross is
Good!
there.
Galing na ito ba?
Ross to be bad. Who's foul? 25 substitution. Emerson, that's your
Hi, si Sulip, thank you for watching.
first
Shout out
personal
sa'yo.
foul. One
Please share our live.
Both teams.
36-32 in favor of TL Court, third quarter.
AC Pamaran. Sulit. Thank you for watching. Ay, putang mo ng tao eh.
Another foul call. Penalty.
Picture, sino?
Ilan si Francisco? 11. Second personal foul, penalty.
Dalawa ko niya.
Delete mo ngayon sa kanya yung picture dito solo.
Ako, putang ina, ba't didelete mo?
First shot, no good.
Hangin.
Natag ka naman.
Second shot is good. Arsubal. Emerson.
Nice pass! Grabe naman.
Yan, Francisco.
Kita pasa. Pasensya na sa slow correction natin, ha.
And one play. Number 25. Second personal foul. Bonus shot tayo dyan. Timeout! Yellow.
30.
Score natin 34-14. Arsabal. Umikot. Good pass. Wala. Intercept. Emerson. Wala pa din. 2 points by Navarro. Another turnover.
36-40.
Substitution, hands. Ilang foul hands? Second penalty. Second personal foul penalty. Pag-timeout na kayo. Wala na kapag-timeout. First shot, no good. Second shot is good. Score natin 37-14. Shut out.
Bakit mo muna?
Sir Bachao. Mr. Dimple.
50 seconds remaining.
Ross. Wala this time. Rebound by Benz. Wala na naman. Navarro. Grabe ang effort ni Sir.
Grabe yun, sir!
Isa na lang yan. Less than a minute remaining sa ating first quarter.
Dumidikit na laban.
Patay, bukas.
Hands. Wala. Rebound by Amson.
23.
Uy. Behind the back. Ali. No good. Steal. Amson again.
Foul, kitang-kita yun.
Who's foul? Number 3 hands. That's your third personal foul. Penalty.
Short na.
Prito na lang. Wala na oras. First shot, no good. Agoy, what happened, yaar? Phoenix Water Station.
Shooting water. Shower out, shooting water.
Ayan, si shooting sandyan na.
Emson.
This is our last quarter, ha?
Wala. Ang lakas naman yan. Change favor na tayo. 41-40.
This is our last quarter.
Espartaro. 2 points.
Tangan na, lason yun.
Wala pa din. Naglilipatan na po sila.
Ba't ito nakuha?
Ninong, warning for graduate ka na. Ross. 10 to shoot.
Bagong gupit yan.
5.
Paktay, lason.
Rebound by Ali. Abad.
Gitna.
Nice!
Hinog. Espartero. Easy daw. 14 to shoot.
Uy, putang ang laki oh. Ang lakas talaga ng Espartero. Kampi namin dati yan sa Datons eh.
Terence Cordero. Thank you for watching.
Shower out.
Don Alfaro. Thank you for watching. Shoutout sa inyong dalawa.
Re.
Ano? Grabe ka naman.
Rep, wala oh. Ito lang. Sinot eh. Wala yung oras.
This is our last quarter, ha? This is is the last quarter.
Wala yung oras.
Nawala yung oras. Community timeout. Darwin Dakasin, thank you for watching.
Okay,
Back to the ball game tayo. 42-40. 8 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. This is our last and final quarter. Okay?
Benz. 10 to shoot. 5. 3. Good ball. Rebound by Navarro. Here goes Ali.
Ano lamang?
42-40. Lamang na pala ang yellow. Abad. Wala.
Lason.
Ba't mahangin?
Ace. Evangelista.
Isa lang lamang nyo eh.
To us. Ross pa din. 14 to shoot.
Patay.
Ace. Wala. Rebound pa din nila. Benz is there. Spin.
Ang ganda nun.
Ross. 2 points. All 42.
Sebo
Ganda
na.
lang naman. Mga ano.
Dito ka pa sa gitna pre, para ano?
Parehas.
Parang ka naman sandalan eh.
Navarro. Wala. Rebound by Fernandez. Ross. Ross pa din. Another 2-pointer.
Lamang na, lamang na.
42-44.
Lamang na.
Last 7 minutes sa ating fourth quarter. Emson.
Super foul yun ah.
Foul called. 17. Third.
Yan na naman yung ano. Madalang bola.
Sino yan?
Second personal foul.
Sino?
Shoot sa kabila.
Second team foul. Pagka-shoot.
Yung angulo?
Oo. Kampi mo ba yan oh?
Kampi ko yan eh. Point guard ko yan. Veteran point guard.
Substitution.
Kailan kaya tayo maglaban no? Kailan kaya tayo maglaban?
Wala, sa Friday.
Apat na.
Sabad eh.
Tatlo pala. Ace. Nilabag. Ginamitan. Ginamitan ng experience.
Joma Jom, thank you for watching.
Arsubal.
Grabe.
Espartero. Sa kanya ba din? Grabe ang Emson.
Favorite niya yan.
Yes sir. Sa Dural, 2 points.
45-46, 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Shout out, shout out.
This is our last quarter.
Sa ating live viewers. Ross. Ross ba din? Grabe ka sir. Espartero, tuwabad.
Ba't mo tinapik?
Uy, ganun mo.
Hindi niya naman tatabigin siya eh. Saan niya
Pataas, hindi patulak.
Kaya nga. Pag ano, hindi ko ang dito. Palabas eh.
Shout out, boss.
45-46. Benz. Evangelista. Foul called, number 28, Espartero. Ilan? Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots yan. First shot is good. Next game prepare, TL Jeff versus TL Rama. Espartero.
Relax, relax.
Abad. Arsubal. Side step. Another foul called for Espartero. Timeout. Yellow.
Uy! Tinalo rin kami dun eh.
Ace.
Tatlo lang lamang.
Dalawa. Ross. 14 to shoot.
Panabog yun eh.
10 to shoot.
Wala.
5.
Mga manong
11. Ilan na?
manong mix lang.
Wala ka pa, wala akong ganun. 13 foul.
Mga manong mix lang.
Third personal foul.
Yung dance.
14 to shoot.
Malaki namin eh. Saka si Juni.
10 to shoot. Rebound by Kurt. 10 to shoot. Substitution. Sub. Arsubal out, Ali in. Navarro. Good defense.
Ayaw mag-sit.
Ace. Benz. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Walang foul.
Steal. Wala. Grabe. 1-3. Foul Navarro.
Bume!
Ilan sa Navarro?
Bume!
Unang ano yun?
Second personal foul, 1 for penalty.
Papagalitan ko nga eh.
Sub.
Wala ka nang magagawa. Ganon talaga.
DL out.
45, 47.
Para din.
2 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter tayo ha. Lamig.
Last 2 minutes. Francisco. Ali. Out of bounds. Good defense there again by Evangelista.
Tama lang yun. Tama lang yung pasa niya. Magaling na talaga doon, friends.
Navarro.
O, diba? Magaling talaga doon,
12 to shoot.
friends.
Ano, Sab?
1 minute and 46 seconds tayo, ha?
12 to shoot.
Dalawa lang yung lamang. In favor tayo kay Latiel Kurt.
10. 5. Who's foul? Ross. Ilan si Ross? Sino? Ross Evangelista. Ross.
5 na.
Yeah. Second personal foul. 13 foul. First shot is good.
Overtime pa ata. Overtime. Anak ko po.
Air ball. Substitution.
Gago.
Marlon out. Arsubaling.
Inay pala.
Score natin 46-47. 14 to shoot. Benz. No good. Navarro. Wala. Agawa ng bola. Navarro 2 points.
Lamang na.
Change favor. Lamang na.
1 minute and 5 seconds remaining.
Ross. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Wala. Agawa ng bola. Nakakuha yan ni Ali. Steal. 47-48. There's a foul called. Emerson. Penalty.
Foul, pangit ng foul.
Third personal foul penalty.
Pangit ng foul niya.
Isip pa naman na rin.
Ross on the line.
Abad! Time out.
First shot, wala. Second shot, pang-all. Second shot is good. All 48. 30 seconds. Crucial call, profiting violation. Timeout. Great.
Kapul. Kaya nga eh. Inuhod.
24 seconds.
Lumitaw tuhod. Rep.
Back to the ball game.
Kalog mo. Baka mamaya hindi na makabuo. Ba?
Ganda, all 48 tayo at 24 seconds remaining. Shout out, Boss Molik.
Tiela ba da?
Grabe, Tia Labad, oh.
Tiela ba do?
Tia Labad!
10. 5.
Putang ina mo, pumasok ko. Bye bye!
Timeout. Yellow.
Ganda!
Wala. Wala nang oras.
Ah!
Pumasok, counted! Counted! Meron pa!